In this Panasonic quick video, we will show you how to use the Sensor Cook feature on the Panasonic microwave oven NN-SE284. The sensor feature allows you to cook food without setting the time. Place the item in the microwave that you want to cook. Close the microwave door, then tap the Sensor Cook icon. Tap the plus/minus icon to select the desired Sensor Cook setting. There are 19 different Sensor Cook settings that you can select from. When first using the cook settings, make sure to refer to the microwave's owner's manual for detailed information on the serving weight and size, as well as hints for each setting. Once you have selected the Sensor Cook setting, tap the Start icon to begin the cooking process. As preferences for food doneness vary with each individual, after having used the Sensor Cook features a few times, you may decide you would prefer your food cooked to a different doneness. To adjust the Sensor Cook time after you've selected the Sensor Cook setting, tap the More or Less icon. One tap adds approximately 10% time. Two taps subtracts approximately 10% time. The third tap returns to the original setting. Press the Start time to begin the cooking process.